In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Nordvpn Chrome extension in 2025. Whether you're new to using VPNs or just need a refresher on the latest steps, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up Nordvpn on your Chrome browser effortlessly. VPNs are a great way to secure your online presence, and with the Nordvpn extension for Chrome, you can enhance your browsing experience with a few easy steps. Let's start by heading over to the Nordvpn website. You can easily find this by typing in Nordvpn download in your search engine, which should bring up the link to the Nordvpn download page. This is where you can access the necessary files and tools to get started. Once you've reached the page, look for the button that says Log In. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're using Nordvpn for the first time, you'll need to create an account. Rest assured, the sign-up process is straightforward, and you'll be prompted through each step if needed. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Account Overview page. This page is your administrative hub where you can manage your subscription and settings. From here, navigate to the Download section to access the files for your VPN setup. It's crucial to follow this step carefully to ensure that the correct version of the software is installed. When you're on the download page, you'll see various options. You'll need to look for the option that refers to VPN solutions for browsers. Click on this to streamline your setup process specifically for Google Chrome. At this point, you're almost there. The next step is selecting Google Chrome as your browser. Clicking this option will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can securely download and install the Nordvpn extension. After clicking Add to Chrome, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Simply accept the terms, and the extension will begin installing. Once the extension is added, you may notice a Nordvpn icon appearing at the top right of your Chrome browser. Click on this, and a login window will open up for you to enter your account details once again. And that's it. You now have Nordvpn successfully set up as a Chrome extension, ready to protect your online activities with added security and privacy. Remember, using a VPN helps to encrypt your data, ensuring a secure connection, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. With Nordvpn, you can browse with peace of mind and privacy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.